Hi everyone, today I want to show you how to use hard code to search items on websites. I'm going to use this simple function of 5-line codes to execute these. As a data analyst, one of the best ways to improve my reach of items is to write functions that can logically break my codes into simpler parts, which become easy to maintain and understand by people, and that allows me to automate common tasks in a more powerful and general way. To do this, I'm going to use a user-defined function in R to create a function that allow my browser to search a specific website for the item that I'm looking for and display the items. In this regard, I want to search through Amazon website by using these following codes to search the website. The first thing I'm going to do is to write a function of what with the browser URL and a specific website address that I'm going to use to search these items. Then this code I'm going to assign it to a name called search. So if I run this code, it's going to create an avenue for me to search the items in the websites that I've included in the code. If I execute this code, it produces my search from the Amazon website. Now let's do this. The next thing I'm going to do is to call a function with argument. The argument to a function call can be supplied in the same sequence as defined in the function, or they can be supplied in a different sequence but assigned to the names of the arguments. What do I mean by this is I've already have a function name called search and I can assign an argument to it. So the argument I'm assigning now is HP laptops. HP laptop is an argument values by name. So if I run that code, it's going to take me to the Amazon website and show me the HP laptops that are there. So if I run the code, it takes me to the Amazon website and show me these different kinds of product of HP laptops. And you can scroll through it and take whichever one that you like. Another thing I can do is to specify the configuration or specification of HP laptop that I want. So if I search for HP Folio 1040 Core i7, it's going to give me the similar configuration or exact Folio 1040 iCore 7, but if it's not there, it's going to give me a similar one. Now let's see. So it gives me these, and you can see that all these ones are very close to what exactly I searched for. You can also specify the categories of HP laptops you want. You can search for any items you want to search for. For instance, now I can also search for PS5, but before then I want to I can call another function to measure how long it takes to process the search in R. If I want to know the number of times, the seconds it takes out to run the code or to display these items from the website, I can use the following codes to do that. I can use a system time function to actually do that. So let's do this. So if I print out, it gives me this number of seconds to display the items that I search for. I can also search for another item like PS5. So it gives me different types of PS5 that are on sale on this website. So I can scroll through it and see the one that I want to buy. Then I also can search the time it takes for her to run this code. So it takes her this number of seconds to run the code. You can do many more.